Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to log in using your Google account or your email address. Just tap on the login button and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Tap on the forgot password button and you will now be asked to enter your email. After typing in your email, click on the send link button and you will now be told to check your inbox. You can click on go back to login and just check your inbox of the email address that you used while signing up for Quizlet. When you check your inbox, you will find an email where you will see a button which says reset your password. Just click on this button. Now just type in your preferred new password and click on the save password button. And now you can go back to the login page and use your email address and your newly set password in order to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Quizlet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.